try and tell me I'm not the autumn queen right now. I'm living my absolute best Ellie Derby life. The amount of pumpkin candles I've got burning in the background. My bedroom literally smells like every single white girl's car as soon as the pumpkin spice latte comes out. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We really went all out there. The amount of coffee I've had today is not okay.
My brain is literally scrambled.
I thought I would film a unpopular opinions today. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and my last one you guys seem to really enjoy. Maybe because the unpopular opinions were very unpopular. Maybe because I was half naked in the bath. Different demographics, I guess. I asked a lot of you over on my Instagram to... I've literally had so much coffee I can't talk. I asked you all over on my Instagram to send me in your popular opinions, and we're gonna go through and read them. Country music is so underrated. See ya. Nothing makes me angrier than country music. Buy ice cream, don't lick it. Just reading that is enough to make my teeth feel like they're going to fall out. I grind my teeth in my sleep, which means the bottom of my teeth are like so thin and so sensitive. Sometimes it even hurts to breathe in. Yeah, it's a problem. The thought of no, just no. People are too sensitive nowadays and offended by everything. I think it's great because social media has opened up a platform for people to express themselves, express their opinions, voice their opinions. But I mean, come on. There's voicing your opinion, and then there's just taking the piss. Nando's is so overrated. Are you even allowed a British citizenship if you don't like Nando's? To be fair, girl, I used to be the exact same until I discovered the super grain salad, which they very sadly removed off the menu. Moment of silence. Ordered the grains and green salad with halloumi, half an avocado. Oh, mayonnaise shouldn't exist. OMG, it's so bad. Mayonnaise always freaked me out. To me, it always just looked like creamy baby sick in a bottle. Not a fan. And the only time I'd ever tried it was when I was really pissed on a night out, so I couldn't actually remember what it was like. But I recently tried it again, and it kind of just tastes like nothing. I mean, I'm glad I've tried it because at least now I know I'm not going to physically retch my guts up if I eat it. It wasn't that bad. However, I definitely wouldn't go out of my way to consume it. Stranger Things is overrated. Okay, the door is there. I'm gonna have to politely ask you to leave. Drinking milk is so nice. Ugh. Drinking ain't that fun. I totally get this. I actually really don't drink a lot. I don't think I'll ever be one of those people who goes out and has a drink. I hate the feeling that one drink gives me. I just feel really tired and anxious. So, I mean, I feel you on that one. Everyone worships Billie Eilish, but her music is very average. I mean, I wouldn't say her music is average. Like, I can totally appreciate her music and her musical ability. Like, whoa, you know, she popped off. She's what, like 16, 17, doing more than I probably ever will. I don't listen to her music, not because I think it's bad, but just because it's not really my vibe.
Which I think a lot of people will be surprised at.
Milk low-key slaps. Old YouTube was so much more superior. You didn't watch the old YouTube and have a floral pastel Instagram account back in the day unless you know what this bad boy is. Marmite on toast is the best thing of all time. No. White chocolate is better than milk chocolate. I could probably get through an entire slab of milk chocolate and love it. White chocolate's one of those things you can only have a small bit, but oh my god, nothing compares. Honestly, in my opinion, one of the best chocolates is like pink chocolate. If you know, you know. But those little like those little pink chocolates. Wow, superior, god tier. Yeah, I really went there. Coffee is so overrated. I'm about to change your life. I'm about 5 years old when it comes to my taste buds, and anything sweet, you've got me. My name is written all over it. These two, this is totally gonna look like an ad. Literally not an ad, but please, you know, if you want to come through, pay my bills. Bills? You live at home, sweetheart. Not yet. These are literally the best thing to ever happen to me. These are Jordan Skinny Syrups. I get them in TK Maxx. I've had these for 1 day. The amount I've used is concerning. I got vanilla and pumpkin caramel. There's 0 sugar, 0 calories, just a whole lot of chemicals. I mean, Starbucks could never. Literally the price of a tiny coffee from Starbucks is like £4 anyway. I think coffee makes me a better person. I can't lie. When I got home today, I was not thriving. I was getting a little bit stressed that I had to film a video because I didn't have a lot of energy. So what did I do? I drank 5 cups of coffee with about 10 teaspoons of these in each. And here we are. I see where you're coming from because regular coffee, ew, no, get away from me, bitter, don't want to see it. Can be full of chemicals and it's pretty lit. Eating frozen peas is the one. I hate naps. I don't think you realise you're talking to the nap queen over here. No one can sleep better than I can, and that's just a fact. Honestly, I don't have many hidden talents or party tricks, but I can sleep anywhere. When I used to go to college, I went to college quite far away and I'd have to get a bus from where I went to college back to my parents' work. And this one time I got back to my parents' work, I had like another 2 hours till they were going to drive home, so I literally had nothing to do. I lay in a room at the back of their work on a wooden floor and fell asleep for 2 hours. No pillow, no blanket underneath me, no blanket on me, just a cold, hard wooden floor. And I slept like a baby. I mean, I don't like to brag, but it is a talent. Okay, this isn't an unpopular opinion, but someone asked where my pink cushions are from on my bed. These are all from Next Home. Thank you, Next. Sponsor me. I just said thank you, Next. Shrek has the smexiest accent of all. I mean, am I right or am I right? Don't care. Pineapple on pizza is the best. Whilst on the topic of pineapple on pizza, I've got a little life hack for you. Everyone knows after a night out, you want that Domino's, you want that McDonald's, you want the nachos. You need something to absorb the acid that's eroding your stomach lining. But the first person to order the pizza, everyone's coming in, taking your pizza. It's a bit of a gum at school situation. Put pineapple on your pizza and nobody will take it. Ketchup is nasty. Ketchup is such a boring flavour. It's so overpowering as well. No, all about sriracha. Avocado is effing shit. Who hurt you? Honestly, if you don't like avocado, your mama had something wrong in her boob milk. Boob milk. Boob milk. Jacket potatoes are disappointing. I think disappointing needs to come under jacket potato in the dictionary. I'm literally so thick. Jacket potato would not be in the dictionary. Lewis Capaldi is actually not funny. I think Lewis Capaldi is just a bit of a sweetheart, isn't he? I don't really listen to his music or follow him that much. I can see why people would think so, and I think it's probably just because it's so shared around. But no, like, I think he's a funny guy, you know? Let him live his life. Let's all hope he gets a girlfriend, because I know he's been trying. Baths are horrid. Literally, what do you do with your time? When I'm happy, I have a bath. When I'm sad, I have a bath. Stressed? Have a bath. Bored? Have a bath. Hairy? Have a bath and shave. Baked beans are gross. I can feel my boyfriend shaking in his seat right now. In fact, I can feel every boy ever shaking in their seat right now. Camila Cabello and Shawn Mendes are legitimately together. Oh honey, you've got so much to learn about the Hollywood industry. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to check out all my social medias. I will have them listed in the description box down below. I'm most active over on my Instagram. That is where I do these unpopular opinions or Q&As, and it's kind of a way you can be more involved with my videos. If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell notification button to make sure my videos come up in your subscription box. James Charles and Trisha Paytas could never. The tempo of my talking is on point, Shashar. Wow, the coffee's really got to me. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. And this is the first video I'm filming since 400k. Oh my god, I cry a little bit inside. What the frick. Thank you all so much for 400,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much for 400,000 subscribers. Honestly, it kind of scrambles my brain a little bit thinking about it. It's honestly unbelievable. It feels like only yesterday I hit 100,000 and I cannot believe that the next milestone is 500,000. 500,000. What? Sorry. What? Literally what? I don't really know why you will watch me, but I mean, thank you a lot. I love all your beautiful faces so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Woo! Right, okay, I really need to go now. I love you all so much, and I'll see you